Welcome to Car Reviews OO, your one-stop shop for all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into the world of luxury. The Mercedes-Benz V-Class is a premium, multi-purpose vehicle MPV, designed to offer luxury, comfort, and versatility. It caters to families, business professionals, and VIP transportation services, combining high-end materials with advanced technology. Exterior design. The V-Class features a sleek and modern design with the signature Mercedes-Benz grille and stylish LED headlights. Its aerodynamic lines enhance both aesthetics and fuel efficiency. The large sliding doors on both sides provide easy access, making it convenient for passengers. Various alloy wheel designs and multiple exterior color options add to its sophisticated appeal. Interior and comfort. Inside, the V-Class offers a luxurious and spacious cabin with premium materials, such as leather upholstery, wood trims, and ambient lighting. The flexible seating configuration accommodates 6 to 8 passengers, with options for adjustable and reclining seats. The MBUX infotainment system, featuring a 10.5-inch touchscreen and voice control, provides seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Passengers can enjoy premium Burmester surround sound system and multi-zone climate control for maximum comfort. Generous cargo space makes it ideal for long trips. Performance and efficiency. The V-Class is powered by a range of efficient 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder diesel engines, V220D, 163 horsepower, suitable for everyday driving, V250D, 190 horsepower, offering a balance of power and efficiency, V300D, 239 horsepower, delivering robust performance for high-speed cruising. The 9G-tronic automatic transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, and the available 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provides enhanced traction in various driving conditions. The vehicle offers an impressive fuel economy while maintaining a quiet and comfortable ride. Safety and driver assistance. Lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, attention assist, and crosswind assist. The 360-degree camera and parking sensors help in maneuvering tight spaces, making urban driving more convenient. The V-Class is available in standard, avant-garde, and exclusive trims, each offering a range of luxury features. There's also a Marco Polo camper version for travel enthusiasts. Pricing typically starts around $60,000 and can go beyond $90,000, depending on the configuration and optional features. The Mercedes-Benz V-Class stands out as a luxury MPV that perfectly balances comfort. For more in-depth car reviews and automotive news,